give a simple instruction and it will produce breathtaking results for you. Come over here and click on recruit member. Then if you scroll further down, you can see the special bonus package. This is going to be available. Code. Then you get web click AI, you get Biz Builder Pro. It also comes with a mobile app. Campaign Builders review. Hey guys, this is Shan from InCampaignAcademy.com and welcome to my Campaign Builders review. So in a nutshell, Campaign Builders actually allows you to control every kind of campaigns for yourself, your businesses, or for your clients from one dashboard. It has got you covered with team members, as you can see, which you can create virtually that can take care of almost each and every task that you need to manage, right from producing your contents to producing videos to producing images, quotes, whatever you need to. It can even do research. The best part, it also comes with a mobile app which is dedicated for a project. That means you can white level it and you can provide it to your customers who can then use their mobile phone and can manage everything right from that. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this Campaign Builders review, because I've got you covered with a full-blown demo of Campaign Builders. As you can see, I've tested this software out in and out, and I'll give you a complete demo how to use it. And also, I do have got you covered with the best in-class bonuses for Campaign Builders review. Now, if you wish to check out my bonuses anytime during this review or after watching this review, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page that should look like this. And in here, you can get a detailed analysis of any and everything about Campaign Builders. But then if you scroll down, you are going to find my bonuses. Now, my bonuses are divided into two sections. The first section, as you can see from here, it consists of many different AI softwares like Magic Designers AI, Magic Pods AI, Web Framer, Flow Motion. Then there is AI Website Builder Pro, AI Social Media Content Suite, AI Video Ads Creator, Lead Generation Agency, and there are plenty, as you can see over here. You can go through this at your own time. I'm not wasting my time or your time in going through this, because there are plenty of bonuses, and everything about what these bonuses does are written in details on my bonus page. So do visit out my bonus page and check out for yourself how premium my bonuses are. Then if you scroll further down, you can see the special bonus package. This is going to be available if you decide to pick up the bundle deal, which is a great value for money deal. By the way, I'll show you everything, don't worry. And then if you are picking up the bundle deal, then you get these bonuses as an additional bonus on top of the bonuses that you receive. That means it's a super set of bonuses, and it contains some of our premium softwares like GMB Monster Pro, right? This actually helps you to generate high quality business to business leads from Google My Business. It's across 47 categories and it delivers you hot leads, right? So that's quite cool. The next thing that we have is called the Fiverr Monster Pro. Now, this is an AI Fiverr gig research generator and optimizer that comes with an inbuilt optimized score creator as well. Just let me show you this software so that you get to know how cool these softwares are. So this is the Fiverr Gig Monster Pro that I was talking about. And in here, look at this. I've created one project, 1 gig has been generated, graphics has been generated, and the average gig score is 78, right? Now, what you can do over here is that you can come over here and you can just view your gigs, the gigs that we have created. If you click over here, you can see it has got you covered with anything and everything. You can see it has got 3 references, and from the references, it has created the gigs. Now, if you go over to the gig editor, you can edit any and everything, right from title to description to FAQs to the packages that you have, right? And it's all incongruent with Fiverr. It's specially designed for Fiverr so that you don't need to actually think about anything. You can do all those things readily from here. You can check how the preview looks like, right? Look at this. This is quite good, right? You can see over here. Then you can find the score where you need to optimize. You can find the graphics. You can even export them as PDF or download doc or text or even JSON. Now, if you want to create a new gig, you can just come over here, click on create new gig, and then you can just fill up these things like the project name, the niche, the keywords that you want to target, then the tone of voice, and then you can also give references. Like you have 2 to 3 gigs that you have targeted based on which you want to create yours. You can do that as well. So the opportunities are endless. And remember, this is just one software that I'm showing you. All of these softwares are specially made by our team, and these are perfectly congruent with agency business. So that's why we are going to give you away these as bonuses. But remember, these are only available on the bundle deal. Then you also get Lead Monster Pro, another one that can generate high quality leads from Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Then you are also going to get AI Apps Vault Pro, which contains over 20 AI apps that is done for you with source code. Then you get WebClick AI, you get Biz Builder Pro, which is an all-in-one business builder software that can build websites, funnels, landing pages, that can build courses, anything and everything that you literally need to manage your online business, right? So all of that. Then there's VidClick AI. Then there are plenty of other AI softwares as well, as you can see as I'm scrolling. So I really don't want to elaborate on this because this is going to take a lot of time. But if you want to, you can come over here and check out for yourself how premium my bonuses are. Once again, if you want to check out all my bonuses, just feel free to go down on the description link, click the link to the bonus page and check out for yourself how premium all of my bonuses are. That being said, now it's time for a quick demo of CampaignBuilders. Then once we come back, I'll be discussing the pricing that it has, the OTOs that it has, and I'll be also unveiling the bundle deal. So stay tuned till the end of this CampaignBuilders review. Hey, welcome to this CampaignBuilders demo within the CampaignBuilders review. And this is what the dashboard looks like. Now in here, there's video training if you want to go through this, but I don't think you are ever going to require it. So the first step that you need to do is create your business, right? So to create a business, you just need to come over here and click on businesses. And from here, you can actually create your business. Now I have created mine over here, but if you are starting out, you are definitely going to build one. So you just need to click on add campaign. And in here, you are going to give the basic things like the company logo, the name. Then on the company info, you are going to give what it does. Then on the brand voice, working hours, all of this, the generic info about your company, right? All that you want to supply is this, and boom, you are done. So once your business is done, it will look something like this, and this will be available over here. Now, just to make it clear, you can do it for both. You can term each of your clients. Say you are managing a restaurant, a salon, and a lawyer. So you can create 3 different campaigns for each of them. Or maybe you are a product owner who has 3 different services or 3 different products. So you can create 3 businesses for those as well. That's totally up to you, right? Now, once this is created, you can find it over here. Inside of this business, you can see now I'm inside of this business. You can find your team members, right? Now, definitely when you are going to start off, there's going to be 0 members, but I've added 3, right? So now if you want to add any one more, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Just come over here and click on recruit member. And then in here, you can see the 3 members that I have already recruited. Now, let us suppose that I want to create another member, maybe a trend catcher who is going to analyze what is trending. So let's go for the trend catcher. And as you can see, it's finding the right team member, depending on your culture, your ethnicity, your location you are in, the kind of job or the business that you have defined. It will take all of that into account and create a perfect persona. So let's wait. And boom, as you can see, this more or less looks like an Indian. That's exactly what I said, that it's going to take into account all of these things, right? And then it has given its name. You can regenerate the image. It has created a bio as well. Look at this. It's a Bengali man. So it has actually understood everything. That's the magic of AI, right? And you can see over here, it actually does pretty good. Now, on the right-hand side, you can see everything like the language, which language you are going to work with. So I'll select English. Then how often should it publish trend-based content? I'll say daily. And then from where should it look for trends? Social media, industry, Google Trends, or all sources. I would say I want to keep updated about social media trends. So let's go for social media. Then what type of trends should I focus on? So I would say industry specific, just maybe, right? And then the content topics. Again, these are all based on your company details, like AI tools for SMEs, emerging marketing trend, mobile app innovations, website trend, alert, reputation management shift. So you can see all of that. Now, if you want to add anything more, you can do that over here as well. Like I want to add digital marketing. So just add it and boom, it would be added. You can remove anyone as well just by clicking this. That's up to you. Then on the settings, you can change the display name. You can also go ahead and change the AI model with which it is going to reply, right? So you can choose any of these. Now, once this is done, I'll click on add to team and boom, it has been added. So now if I click on view team, you can see the 4 members are available. So one of them is a videographer, one is promoter, one is designer, and the other is a trained catcher, right? Now you can go ahead and recruit as many members as you like. You can see there are different type of members that you can include so that you have a full-fledged team working under you. Now, once this team is created, things become very easy for you. So let's go back to our company right here, right? And then in here, you can see this is the team stuff, right? Now in here, you have a common working space. So this is your workspace or the chat space. So just click on that. And as you can see, your team actually opens up. It's like having a roundtable conference with all your employees together, right? So in here, you can just use the @ to design to any member of your team, or if you actually shoot a question, a relevant member would answer. So all of that is done. So let's catch this trend setter and let him create a post on the latest trending news on AI tools, right? Just for an example, and just hit on message. And you can see over here, this guy has started giving replies. So let's wait and look at this. It has actually given the reply over here. Now you can one click share this reply. If you have your buffer and if you have your channels connected, you can one click post them directly from here. or you can copy and post it wherever you want to. That's quite cool. Now you can even go ahead and I'm saying create an image to support this, right? Now you can see it's asking which team member, right? Which team member I want. So I'll say the designer. And then I want the image. So I'll say yes. And then I'll say the format. So I'll say a story format. And then I'll say continue. And as you can see, the designer has started generating the image for us. So let's wait and look at this, right? So it's quite amazing. You can see over here, it has got our logo over here, what we do, everything. And the best part over here is that we don't need to provide it information every time. It has the business information that is relevant for each of the posts, each of the images, each of the videos that it does, right? You don't need to tell it again and again. And the best part, all of these agents are specifically trained. That means you don't need to write congruent prompts. You just can give a simple instruction and it will produce breathtaking results for you. So it actually takes away any kind of knowledge base or any kind of skill that you want to have. So that's quite cool. Now you can actually download this image as well, and it would be downloaded so that you can use it as you want, anywhere, everywhere that you want to, right? And you can see this goes on. I can go ahead and ask to create a video. I can go ahead and ask to create a Facebook post, a Twitter post, a LinkedIn post, whatever. The imagination is the only limit that you have with this tool. Now, this is one thing that I've shown you. Now, the best part over here is that, say you are doing it for your client. Say your client is a dentist, just for an example, and you have set up their business and all of this. But the dentist says, hey, I want to do all of this stuff from my mobile. Is that possible? Yes, that is possible, because Campaign Builder comes with this little feature over here, right over here. I don't know if anybody else is going to show this or not. You can just click on this and you can see these app opens up over here. There's a QR code that you can scan and you can log in right from your mobile. Now, what you can do is that if you're doing an agency business, this is going to be a complete white level thing. There is going to be no Campaign Builder logo whatsoever. You can just go ahead and you can actually share this QR code with your client, and they would think this app was created by you just for them. And imagine they are going to be able to chat within their mobile and say, post it for me, and boom, it will be posted. Just imagine the amount of money that you can make with this kind of a technology. So the opportunities, as I said, is endless, and you can actually go ahead and scale your agency business with this. I have seen nothing close to this in recent past, and this is quite a great software to have. So that being said, that's it. That is a little bit that I've shown. Now you can go ahead and actually go and create anything and everything with it, right? You can go ahead and hire your team members. You can chat with them. You can create the things that you want to. You can keep posted them on social media and grow your following, grow your clients' following, and you can receive a monthly paycheck as well from your clients for maintaining their social media accounts, while everything is going to be done by the Campaign Builders. So if that sounds interesting, and if you're really, really happy with Campaign Builders, and if you want to pick up Campaign Builders, then why not via my link? Because remember, the bonuses that I've shown you is going to be exclusively available only through my link, and you are going to not find it anywhere else on the internet. That being said, don't take my words for it. Just go out there and check out what other affiliates are offering. I'm 100% sure that none would be offering you so much value on their bonuses. So once you feel the same, just come back to this video that you are watching. Go down on the description link of this video. Click the link to my bonus page. That should again take you to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And in here, you just need to scroll down to find any of these red buttons, clicking on which you would go over to Campaign Builders sales page. That should look like this, and just go through this at your own time. Check out anything and everything that you want to. And then once you are happy with it, you can click on any of these buy now buttons to get hold of Campaign Builders along with all my bonuses thrown in for absolutely free of cost right inside your JVZoo dashboard. That being said, if you find any difficulties in getting the bonuses, always reach out to us on this WhatsApp number or on the email ID that you can see on screen. So now it's time for the pricing. The front end is going to be priced at $47 with 20,000 credits. Then there are order bumps that actually gives you unlimited posts. So this one is a mandatory one at $14. I think you should go ahead with it. And then there's this 50,000 credit bump at $44. So if you are going to go with the front end, then I would say take both the bumps, right? The next one is the Campaign Builders Pro. Now, if you want to know all about these upgrades, you can just scroll down over here and you can find every detail that you are going to get. Like on the Campaign Builders Pro, you are going to spend $67, but you're going to get 50,000 credits, all AIs, 100 posts every day, and 30 campaigns, 2 years of free upgrade. So that's quite cool. The next upgrade that they have is the reseller, and you are going to get it at $197. You get 70 reseller license. Then you are going to get a completely different software called Bloggy Pro. Now, this was released on JVZoo itself, and it was priced a lot higher, but you are going to get the Pro version, remember, and it's an auto blogging kind of software that you get, and it's going to be priced at $67. The next one that they have is Callsy, the AI calling agent that you can get, and this you can get for $67 again. So this is all that it has on the funnel. Now, if you are interested in the bundle deal, you just need to scroll down over here, and in here you can find the bundle deal, right? You get everything on the funnel at only $297. And remember, on $297 you are going to find Campaign Builders with all its upgrades. Then you are going to find the Bloggy, and then you are going to also find the Callsy, all of that. And with this, you also get our exclusive AI software bonuses, which are not going to be available anywhere else. So if you want to pick up the bundle deal, remember, you just need to scroll down and click on any of these buttons. This should take you to the Campaign Builder sales page, and in here there are two options. As you can see, this is the front end at $47, and this is the bundle at $297. So again, depending on your choice, you can go for any one of these, but I would say if you are going for the front end, then you should at least go with the front end and OTO1 and the two bumps, right? That should cost you anywhere around $150. So that is a minimum. If you don't want the reseller, it's fine, but then Callsy and Bloggy are also good softwares to have. But if your budget permits, go for the bundle deal. If your budget doesn't permit, go for the front end and the OTO1 and the bumps if possible. So that's according to my opinion. Now, you can go through the sales page and feel free to act according to your opinion as well. So that's it for this Campaign Builders review. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, help me with a like. Let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this Campaign Builders review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Shine. Take care. Bye-bye.